Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. The crypto winter is deepening. Over 100 blockchain projects collapsed in 2026. Venture capital deployment halved to just $4 billion. This funding drought signals a structural shift in digital asset financing. Investors are fleeing speculative ventures for established liquidity. Bitcoin remains the sole survivor in this shakeout. Technical indicators suggest bullish momentum persists. The relative strength index sits at 53.1. The moving average convergence divergence has turned positive. Traders face a critical dilemma. Waiting for a 20% pullback during record highs carries significant opportunity cost. The cost of inaction may exceed the risk of entry. Meanwhile, macroeconomic divergences are widening globally. China's rural economy defies the urban slump. Retail sales in rural areas grew 2.4% in the first half of 2026. Urban growth lagged at just 1.1%. Beijing is responding with an aggressive 18-point policy. The plan targets 2,800 counties to revive domestic demand. This rural consumption surge offers a rare bright spot in Asian markets. In related news, corporate finance is merging with blockchain. Toyota Finance launched its first retail tokenized bonds. The offering is sized at 1 billion yen. It is accessible to retail investors via the Toyota wallet. This marks a pivotal shift in corporate debt distribution. Traditional barriers to entry are dissolving. Debate over Bitcoin's monetary policy is reigniting. Todd has revived the cap discussion. He questions the 21 million supply limit. Miner fees have collapsed to 0.5% of revenue. This decline threatens network security long-term. The tail emission debate is back on the table. Market implications for BTC remain uncertain. Looking ahead to today's release, the economic calendar is quiet. No major high-impact data drops in the next 36 hours. Traders are positioning for volatility elsewhere. The lack of macro catalysts amplifies the impact of crypto and corporate news. The disconnect between rural Chinese consumption and urban stagnation is stark. It highlights the uneven recovery in Asia. Toyota's move into tokenized debt suggests institutional adoption is accelerating. It is no longer just for tech elites. Bitcoin's technical setup is strong. But the fee collapse is a warning sign. Miners need sustainable revenue. The 21 million cap may need adjustment. Todd's argument gains traction as fees dwindle. VC funding in crypto is at a multi-year low. $4 billion is a fraction of previous peaks. This contraction forces consolidation. Only projects with real utility will survive. The shakeout is clearing the market. Investors must weigh the cost of waiting. A 20% drop is not guaranteed. Momentum is currently on the side of buyers. Technicals support this view. RSI and MACD align with bullish sentiment. China's policy response is significant. Targeting 2,800 counties is a massive logistical effort. It aims to stimulate grassroots demand. If successful, it could stabilize regional economies. The 2.4% growth rate is a positive signal. Toyota's bond issuance is a test case. Success could open doors for other automakers. Retail access to corporate debt is a powerful tool. It democratizes investment opportunities. The market is fragmented. Crypto is consolidating. China is stimulating. Toyota is innovating. Macro data is silent. This silence allows specific narratives to dominate. Follow these developments closely. They will drive short-term volatility. Long-term trends are shifting toward tokenization and rural demand. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.